In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a black background using Davinci Resolve 19. Whether you're working on a short film, a video presentation, or just experimenting with your editing skills, knowing how to manipulate backgrounds is crucial for creating a polished final product. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step to ensure you get the most out of your editing experience. First, launch Davinci Resolve on your computer. If you haven't downloaded the software yet, you can easily find it on the Blackmagic Design website. Once you're inside the application, you'll be greeted with the Project Manager page. Here you can either open an existing project or create a new one. To keep things simple for today's tutorial, click on an existing project or start a new one if that's what suits your needs. After opening your project, you'll want to navigate to the Edit page. This is where all the visual magic happens. If you're unfamiliar with Davinci Resolve's interface, you'll find the edit page listed among several tabs at the bottom of the window. Clicking on it will present you with the timeline and other essential editing tools. Next, we're going to focus on adding that black background. Look over to the left side of your screen and find the Effects library. Click on Effects, and this will reveal several options for customizing your video. Within the Effects menu, you'll notice a section called Generators. This is where various customizable elements are housed. Now let's zero in on the Generators section. Clicking on this will give you access to several basic elements you can add to your project, such as color blocks and titles. Since we're aiming to add a simple black background today, the focus will be on solid colors. Select it and drag it down to your timeline where you intend to use the background. Once your solid color is placed in the timeline, it's time to customize it to our black background. Simply click on the solid color in your timeline to bring up the inspector window on the right side of your interface. From here you'll see a color panel that allows you to change the color of the solid generator. Navigate to the color selector and ensure you adjust it to pure black. This change will reflect instantly on your timeline, and there you have it. You've successfully added a black background to your video using Davinci Resolve 19. Feel free to play around with the length and other parameters to fit the needs of your specific project. Remember, the best way to become proficient with any tool is to keep practicing. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.